We all know the entertainment industry runs on connections, but it can feel daunting to create connections if you feel like you don't really know anybody and you're not sure how to get started. This is a topic of conversation in so many actor communities, right? There are just so many ways to do this. So I just did a whole training for members of the table on how to grow your circle of influence. And I don't have time to get into the whole list here, but I want to share one of the tips that I taught in that training that's one of my favorites. So my question to you is this. How often do you make a concerted effort to connect to other people? How often do you take a minute and find opportunities to connect to people who might benefit from knowing each other? Make this a practice. Identify 2 people in your network who you feel like should know each other and put them together. Maybe you know 2 people who are starting complementary businesses and they could support each other. Or someone who's looking for a great DP and you connect them with an old friend who's a great DP. Or someone who's looking for a financial accountability partner and might want to connect with someone who leads a community of artists who are focused on financial recovery. Or a budding writer and someone who might enjoy the opportunity to mentor a writer. All of those are great examples. So, when you identify these 2 people in your network who should know each other, just connect them. It's simple. Send an email to both parties. The email might go like this. If I was connecting my friends Matt and Sada, I might say, Matt, meet Sada. Sada is a phenomenal actress. We met in class and became friends right away. Matt is an amazing director who has some really exciting projects coming down the pipeline. You're both fantastic artists, and I think you should know each other. So I'll let you 2 take it from here. When you get good at connecting others, the great karma will come back to you, and you'll start to get in the habit of just getting out there and knowing people and just being in the mix of creation and collaboration. So have fun with this.